Site Restoration Fund, Section 33 ABA. Okay, let me write the section here. Now, what is this applicability? What is it all about? In case of an assessee, okay, carrying on business consisting of prospecting or extracting or production of petroleum or natural gas, or both in India, in respect of which the central government has entered into an agreement with the assessee. So there is an assessee, okay, who has entered into an agreement with the central government. And what is this agreement all about? This agreement is for prospecting or extracting or production of petroleum or natural gas. So describe activity for either petroleum or natural gas or both. Now, whenever you are looking out for any kind of a petroleum or natural gas, there's a lot of digging, okay, in the oil, in the search of petroleum or natural gas. There's a lot of digging and everything which takes place. Once all the process is through, then this site has to be restored back to the normal. So let's say if you dig down 300 meters below the regular earth surface, you have to obviously fill it off, right? Site Restoration Fund is basically something like this only, right? So in respect of this kind of an assessee who's engaged in this business, he can do is he can make a deposit. Assessee makes a deposit with the following before the end of the previous year. Okay? Either with the State Bank of India or in a scheme approved by Ministry of Petroleum. Right? So if you make a deposit with either of these two parties, then you are allowed a deduction. How much deduction? Assessee shall be allowed a deduction of the lower of the following two amount. The amount that you deposit or 20% of current year profits of such business. Right? So basically, you are allowed a deduction which is lower of these two. Right? Now, the other conditions are that the amount which is withdrawn is going to be taxed. Okay? And the taxation figures are the same as that for T development account. That is also highlighted in red, so you can just go back and refer your notes. Other provisions which are discussed in the T development account, let me just go back and show that to you. So these other provisions of the T development account which are there in your notes, and this taxation provisions which are there equally apply to the Site Restoration Fund as well. This is what is mentioned in this part of it. Right? So again, this is also pretty simple. You just need to keep the provisions in mind.